Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To my first time viewers, I would like to welcome you and also kindly subscribe to my channel so that you see more of my uploads. And for my ride and die subscribers, I love you guys so much. Welcome back. So today's video is going to be about hair extensions. I did start my hair extension business and I'm coming to you today to bring you information on how you can purchase the hair and the quality of the hair that I'm offering to you. There are several hair on the market, but the difference is the quality of hair that you purchase and for what price. So I'm just bringing this information to you to introduce my business to you. The name of my business is Peaches Beauty Collection, and so I do sell bundles. I also do make wig caps, and I also do color or custom color the hair. I do have several textures of the hair, and so I'm going to show you the textures that I have. The first texture I'm bringing you today is the exotic wave texture, and this is how it comes. Each bundle of my hair is 3.5 ounces. I would like to show you how thick the bundle is, and the hair is true to length. Because this hair is a curly hair, so if you are doing a measurement, you want to measure it like this. So this is 22 inches of bundle, and this is how the hair looks, guys. So the texture of this hair will look a little bit different if you have wet the hair. So this hair is 22 inches. It has no or less gray hair in it. It is natural hair. It is raw hair, which means you can color the hair, you can perm it, you can straighten this hair. You can do anything you want to do with this hair. You can hot iron the hair, flat iron it, and all that. And you could also put products in this hair. What I'm going to do, I just want to show you how soft the hair is. And I'm combing this hair. You probably will find just one string out of the hair, just this little string, but it does not share, it does not break. Anyway, so the hair is the same hair that I'm wearing. I custom colored this hair. It was as dark as this, and I colored it to this beautiful highlights. The next texture that I'm going to talk about is the straight hair. It's the straight hair now. This is the straight hair, and this is 14 inches of the straight hair. Very straight, silky, soft. Feels good when you run your fingers through. Feels very good when you run your fingers through. There's nothing leaving on here. It does not share, it does not break. There's nothing leaving on my hand. Bouncy, beautiful hair. And again, the bundles are thick and they are 3.5 ounces. So this is the kinky curly texture, and I will put a picture right here so that you can see the texture of this hair wearing it long. So this is the kinky curly texture. This is exactly 12 inches of this hair, and same thing applies to the hair. All of the hair is raw hair, and it is not chemically processed, which means it is raw hair. That's the kinky texture. And this texture is the raw wavy texture. Now look at this, guys. I'm running my fingers through the hair like magic. I mean, who wouldn't want to invest in good bundles? I really love the hair, love the texture, love the feel of it. So I would also like to say that when you purchase my hair for the first time, what I will do is make you a wig cap if you would like to make a wig cap. And then basically wig caps run from $115 to $200. It depends on how much the person want to charge you for making your wig cap. So I'm going to give you that free service by making your wig cap if you purchase the hair. So the next texture that I have is the temper. It's the temper curly hair. This is the length, and this is 22 inches. So if you want to wear your hair very long, this is 22 inches. The hair is true to length again, I would say that. So those are the texture of the hair that I'm selling. I also want to come to you with this closure. This is the closure for the exotic wave texture. You can see here the closure is very full and feels very soft. So the hair is very soft. And additionally, the hair is pre-plucked a little bit, but if you would like to do more customization, that can be done. So those are the textures that I have for sale. You can get the hair in any length, ranging from 10 inches to 30 inches. When you say 30 inches, that's really going to be long. So, and of course, how you can contact me is through my YouTube page, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. I'm on those medias as Peaches October, but on my Instagram page, I'm on there as Peaches Beauty Collection. So you can send me a direct message so we can talk about pricing and the length of the hair. This hair is extremely affordable. It is a good quality hair that you can make some investment in, okay girls? You want to have your hair snatched all the time. So if you wanna look good, you gotta spend the money. So ladies and gentlemen, so this is the information that I have for you. I'm working on the website for the hair, and so I cannot give information on where to purchase the hair directly. If you do want to see pictures of the hair, I have them on my Instagram page and also my YouTube page plus my Twitter page. I have the pictures of the hair. Additionally, if you want me to send you a picture of whatever texture you would like to have, I can definitely do that for you. That is no problem. And so with that said here, follow me on those social medias for more information on the hair. As far as the special that I do run and discounts, if I'm offering discounts, you will need to do that. So as soon as I have the website ready, I'm going to bring that information to you guys again, because I would like for you to subscribe to my newsletter so that you can receive updates on, you know, discount or sales on the website. So guys, that's all I have to say today to you. One last thing I would like to say, the reason that I encourage people to buy quality hair is because I'm just speaking from experience. I spend so much money on weaving my hair every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. It was not less than $100 because I always had to buy the hair, which is like those so-called human hair in some of these local beauty shops. I would spend money on that hair every time, and then I have to buy hair every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks when I'm, you know, doing my sew-in. What I did was to actually get rid of sew-in. So currently I do not do sew-in. if I'm gonna do a sew in, basically that hair is gonna be a wig cap that I'm gonna sew on. So I'd rather don't do sew ins. And the reason for that is that it costs a lot to do sew in. If I'm gonna pay $100 or $130, $150 to do a sew in, why don't I just invest in the quality hair and make a wig cap? So guys, depending on how you want your hair, 2 bundles with a frontal or closure can get you a wig cap. But if you want your hair full like mine, then that's gonna be 3 bundles. And the shortest the hair, the less the money is. The longer length, the longer the hair is, the more money you spend. So for the shortest length of hair, you're looking at spending like $105. And then if it is a curly texture, then of course it is $110. So if it is longer than that, you're gonna add $5 on each of the length. So 12 inches will be $110. 14 inches will be $115. So that's how it's gonna be until you get to whatever length you want to. So I just want to bring you that information. If you have questions, please feel free to send me a message and I will get back to you. So thank you guys for staying tuned with me, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. My all-time ride and die, I would like to say, hey guys, welcome back to, and